Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox not opening after the Windows 11 25H2 update. First, try running Roblox as an administrator. Go to your desktop and find the Roblox player icon. Right-click on it and choose Properties. Then click on the Compatibility tab. Look for the option that says Run this program as an administrator and check the box. Click Apply and then OK. Now open Roblox again and see if it works. If the problem is still there, the next step is to clear the Roblox cache. Press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. A small run window will appear. Type %local app data % and press Enter. This will open the Roblox folder. Select all the files inside and delete them. This removes temporary files that may be causing the issue. If Roblox still does not open, you should reinstall it. Right-click the Start button and open Installed Apps. Scroll down the list, or you can use the search at the top. Find Roblox in the list, click on the three dots next to it, and uninstall it. After that, go to the official Roblox website, or open the Microsoft Store and download a fresh copy. Install it again and launch the game. These steps usually fix the issue. Thanks for watching.